You're watching Vacation Minute by ExplorerVacations. Welcome to Coyoacán, one of the most charming and historic neighborhoods in Mexico City. Once a separate colonial town, Coyoacán's name comes from the Nahuatl language and means place of the coyotes. Its cobblestone streets, leafy plazas, and colorful buildings offer a glimpse into the city's past. At the heart of the neighborhood is the lively Jardín Centenario, where locals and visitors gather around the iconic Coyote Fountain. Just steps away stands the historic Parroquia de San Juan Bautista, a beautiful church that dates back to the 16th century when Spanish colonists first settled the area. Coyoacán is also famous for being the longtime home of artist Frida Kahlo. Her vibrant residence, now the Frida Kahlo Museum, celebrates her life and art and is one of the most visited museums in the city. Today, Coyoacán blends history, culture, and creativity. Street musicians play in the plazas, markets serve traditional Mexican snacks, and the relaxed atmosphere makes it the perfect place to wander and explore. If you want to experience a more intimate side of Mexico City, Coyoacán is a place you won't want to miss. Thank you for exploring with Explorer Vacations. For travel ideas about Mexico and beyond, please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.